The ingredients are shown to be red cabbage in a pot with water inside. The red cabbage is now being pulled apart by its leaves and being torn apart and putting them into a silver pot with water that is halfway full. Now the leaves of the red cabbage will be put into the pot and will be covered with water. The cabbage is being put on the stove on high, and we are boiling the cabbage for 4 to 5 minutes. After the cabbage has been brought to a boil, we're taking it off the stove and putting it on the countertop so it can cool. Here we're taking the strainer and putting it over a bowl and taking all the purple juice that has been made and straining it into a plastic bowl where it can sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Now we decided to time it for 20 minutes since we just brought it back to a boil. Now we're putting it into a glass mason jar so we could see the product. Next are various household items that are being used. Soy sauce is now being poured into a clear container and cabbage juice right after it to see the color that it has changed into. As you can see, the color of soy sauce and cabbage juice mainly stayed the same. Now Arm & Hammer baking soda is being poured inside the glass, and later cabbage juice will be added as well to see the color that it has changed into. As you can see, baking soda mixed with cabbage juice turns into a dark bluish green color. You can see the organic apple cider vinegar has been poured into the glass, and now the cabbage juice is being poured and you see it turns into a reddish pink. Now we are using borax and we're also pouring into the same glass that was used previously, and we see how it reacts to cabbage juice later on. Now we are using Listerine mouthwash that has already been put into a glass, and we're adding the cabbage juice, and as you can see it turns into a darker purple but brighter than the cabbage juice itself. Now bleach is being sprayed into the clear glass so you can see what happens, and then we add the purple cabbage juice. You see how the bleach and the cabbage juice mixed together turn into this light yellow orangey color. When dish soap is added to the glass and cabbage juice is added along with it, you see how it turns into purple as well, but what's said in it due to the fact that it's dish soap. Now limes are being added, and when it is mixed with cabbage juice, it turns into a reddish pinkish color. These are the products that were used in the experiment, and thank you to Mr. Kunkel and to my mother for helping me with these experiments. I originally thought that the apple cider vinegar and the limes would be more acidic, the most acidic, because they are sour and bitter to the taste and smell. I never really had any limitations with the experiment, but one of the unanswered questions that I had were with the Listerine and with the dish soap. They remained purple, so I just think that is because I didn't use enough product to change the color. My biblical worldview would be that there is a designer, because we wouldn't be able to know that we could see the pH balance by just boiling red cabbage juice. So it's really amazing how you are able to see a creator in the universe. The charts being shown previously now show the evidence of pH balance, just in case if anyone had any questions.
I didn't record.
Bloopers.
No.